Okay. So, Genius has really done it this time. I mean, really. Let's see. Okay, so they put the BackPack Kid in this, and they say he's suing. He's suing Fortnite. That's what they say. So, you guys, okay, let's see. No. I am proud to say I am no longer a subscriber. You know what? Boom. Okay, let's watch this then. I'm gonna put on captions so you guys cannot hear this. Okay, I said this. Oh. Okay, I already want to die right now. Look how aggressive he does this. Bam! It sounds like he's like trying to smack some. The BackPack Kid, flossing. I've been wanting to make music for a minute. Well, that's what it sounds like. Oh, damn. I be flossing. I be flossing. I be flossing. Okay, oh my god, dude. Okay, he made. Look at me. He's like, I be flossing. That last part, he's saying that 4 times, dude. 4 times. I could probably download. Ooh. So, you go at the last part, you're like, I'll be flossing. Just stop, kill yourself. Playing around in the mirror, started dancing. I was doing that. I remember me just looking at my nose, and hey, been looking at my nose and just see what's like. Just keep on turning on and off the lights, dancing. Doing what? Flossing? You see the flossing dance. You might be right. He actually might be right. Because everywhere I see grandpas and stuff doing it on Instagram and stuff. Okay. This dude has a brain tumor. Boy, look at this dude. Hair. What is his hair? You can't even get 2 earrings. You have to wear 1, dude. What the heck? The Eiffel Tower. It's with the cops. This dude think he. This dude think he black. He's like, He's like, I. Well, you getting paid because you're trying to sue Fortnite? Yeah. Look at this dude. Oh my god. You fucking, I don't know, your hairline's big forehead, dude. Show you your legs. To right, left, to right, left, to right, left, to right, left. This dude sounds like he's in the army or something, like a commander.
First thing you want to do is spread your legs. And then you want to put your arms out. And then you want to go left to right. Left to right. Left to right.
Oh, you want to try to do floss better. I told everybody to search up videos.
Okay, verse 2.
Flossing. I be flossing every.
Look,
Alright.
So I went to Chile to do this little apple juice even before.
shut up.
And while we was there,
Whoa. Hold up. Whoa. What do you say? He's at.
flossing, yeah, I do not even care. Flossing, I be flossing on the street.
You must be caring because you're doing this dance. Okay, I might just be done. You know what? I'm already dead. You know what? I'm already dead. Oh. I can't make no more videos. Okay, let's see. Okay, hold up. Okay, flossing. There we go. Yep, see, this is how you floss. This is stupid. Okay. Well, I'm done. I don't want to see this kid again. But y'all. See ya.